If you set out to look for good companies, you'll find a few that care for all their employees. And then you have companies like Aditi Staffing that cares for each and every employee. And that to me is a very subtle difference between a good company and a great company.
Aditi is like ocean of opportunities, wherein you not only grow professionally, but also personally. It also gives you a space to see something beyond your own skill. It gives you the leeway to do your own thing.
This is the first company where people are really amazing. The work culture is amazing, and the leadership specifically, they really believe that their people are an asset to the company. They believe in sharing their profitability with the people. So this company is something different and much better in terms of some bigger companies with whom I have worked for.
Aditi is a place where people are recognized irrespective of the level they represent, and that encourages us to strive harder.
Aditi Staffing to me is a place where we pay attention to performance. So what we do here is drink a lot of water, eat a lot of food, dress like superstars and hammer it down real hard.
Aditi to me, honestly speaking, is like a civilized zoo where it is one place apart from my house where I can be myself. So that's what drives me to work every day.
Aditi Staffing to me is a great place, a place filled with a lot of opportunities, a lot of challenges, and of course amazing people.
Aditi to me is like a kaleidoscope. It shows you different colors, different shades every day, every hour. Shades which are full of joy, optimism, positivity, and inspires a lot out of you. And I believe it's the people around that motivates you and inspires the best out of each one of us.
What makes me come to office every day is the passion which I have towards this work and towards this industry. We bring in a lot of hope in people's mind, and then when we come here, what we try to do from our end is to give them new opportunities and develop a good rapport and a relationship with them as well. It's not just doing our job, it's like extending our own families.
Aditi Staffing to me is a people-driven, customer-centric organization. I'm thrilled to work in an organization like Aditi Staffing is because we are not afraid to take risks. When we succeed, we pull up our collars, share our success, party hard. And yes, we've failed a few times, and we've taken failure as a learning.
Aditi to me is a place where you are allowed to take risks and open yourself to the full extent. We believe in building careers of the consultant we work with, and that's what our tagline says, Aditi Staffing, where talent meets career.
What makes me come to office every day, it's purely the people that I work with, the culture that we have, the freedom, the flexibility, the recognition. We celebrate every small achievement and we look for reasons to celebrate. And it's fun here.
Aditi Staffing is the best place to work for because of the recognition we get and the training and the support that has been provided during the rough phases.
Creating something new, exploring something new, new challenges, new problems to face and solve them aggressively. So this is what is Aditi Staffing all about, and as we all know, it's one of the best places to work for.
At Aditi Staffing, there is high value for unique ideology. You can always present new ideas, and there's always room for creativity.
When I walk in every day, I still feel it's my first day. I have the same excitement, same motivation.
In Aditi Staffing, we have healthy competitions between the recruiters, we have healthy competition between the team, but above all, we are working on one common goal. For me, personally, rewards and recognition is the best thing in Aditi Staffing.
Here, you may be working in the recruitment team, the operations team, the service delivery, the QC. Your contribution is valued regardless, and eventually it adds up to the bottom line.
Aditi is like my extended family, and I really have to come here every day. It's like the way you really want to see your kids every day, you want to go back home every day. Same way as I need to be here every day. And that's what Aditi to me is.